Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I just stepped back into my beauty room, and as you can see, it's a disaster. There's no other word for it but a disaster. I was supposed to go on a few trips this month, and so I started packing, and it just became a catch-all. So, Texas fishing this morning with a friend, so I decided it was the perfect opportunity to get busy cleaning with zero distractions. I've got my pumpkin spice coffee in hand, so grab yours and let's get started. All right, this is the mess that we're starting with today, and honestly, I can't even believe that I let it get this out of control. But life happens, we're taking care of it now, and the finished product is going to be amazing. I'm starting by putting everything in the suitcase. That way the floor is cleared out, everything is in a central location, and it's much easier to maneuver around the room and focus on your primary goal, which is getting everything from that suitcase into its proper living space. I just want to mention these. I bought these at the end of summer, basically, so you can get a really good discount, so I definitely recommend that to anyone. These two are just from Target. This is the first one, and it was originally $18 and I got it for $9. And then this cute little bandeau top, just like that, and it was originally $15 and I got it for $4. And I also got these at the beach. These are great freaking deals. Obviously I can't wear these until next season, but a super cute one piece, and it was originally $175 and I got it on sale for $30. Wow. And this is the brand. I'd never heard of this brand before, but that's the brand. So there's that suit. And then these were buy one, get one free. So technically this one was free. And it didn't come with bottoms. They didn't have any bottoms that matched it. And it has underwire right here. Same brand. And this one was originally $95 and I got it on sale for $15. And then I also got this top at a different store, but it's just a cute little like bandeau top. And then it has the ties right here where you can tie them like around your arm into a little bow. So I thought this would be really cute for next summer. It was 20 bucks. Couldn't pass it up. Okay, I realize I'm just smelling lots of things here, but I have sage in that drawer and it smells so freaking good every time I open it. Now I'm just getting everything folded and organized into its specific categories. That way it's much easier to put away in its home. totally forgot that I bought these, but how cute are these? And look, they were only $12. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started organizing my closet. That way I can put away all the clothes that I just folded on the other side of the room. Let's pause for this dramatic moment brought to you by Scandal. Y'all, please tell me I'm not the only one who hides things in the back of their closet and then forgets they even exist. Both of those pairs of sneakers are from high school, and I'll probably never even wear them again, but I can't get rid of them. I also forgot that I had both of these cute pair of brand new shoes. So, gonna fix that by taking them out of the box and adding them to my shoe shelf. I rearranged up here, made a little more space, hung up my clothes. I don't really love this right here, but like the shelves don't really work for the size of the shoes that I have, so I'm kind of just working with what I got. But I mean, I've made some progress. Look at all this empty floor space that was not there before. But I still have a little work to do over on this side. This side is kind of like, woo! So that's what I'm gonna tackle next. So I'm having to take out all the clothes that I just folded because in this crazy mess I found drawer liners that I used to have in this drawer, but I took them out when I painted the set white and I forgot to put them back in. So that's what I'm doing now. Surprise! I have a red couch. I've had this couch for a while now, and because the red didn't really fit my style anymore, instead of getting rid of it, I just opted to get a cheap slipcover off of Amazon, and now it matches my room perfectly. Okay, I really want it to be done at this point, as you can clearly see, but I just had one more thing to do and I saved the worst for last, and that was to file and put away all the random mail and papers that I had in my room that I have to keep but I don't really know what to do with. All right, that's a wrap on my end. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end of the video. That means the world to me. I hope that this video gave you some cleaning motivation of your own. I am so happy with the way that everything turned out. I don't know what it is, but something about standing in the middle of a room that is just spotless, it feels like a clean slate. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you guys in a new video very soon. Bye!